Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AWS for beginners. First, focus on understanding foundational services like EC2 for virtual servers and S3 for storage. Next, leverage the AWS free tier to gain practical, hands-on experience without cost. Finally, consider starting with the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification to build a strong knowledge base and validate your initial skills. This structured approach will set you up for success. Once you have a basic understanding, it's crucial to get hands-on. Start by building small projects, perhaps using serverless services like Lambda and DynamoDB. Actively follow online tutorials and guided labs to reinforce your learning with practical application. Don't hesitate to join AWS communities and forums. They are excellent places to share knowledge, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. This practical approach solidifies your understanding. To deepen your expertise, aim for an associate-level certification, such as the AWS Solutions Architect. This will push you to explore more complex scenarios and services. Make it a habit to utilize official AWS documentation and white papers. They are invaluable resources for in-depth understanding. Also, consider exploring specialized areas like security, machine learning, or data analytics to align with your career interests and further enhance your skill set. Learning AWS is an ongoing journey, so commit to continuous growth. Always stay updated with new AWS service releases and features as the platform evolves rapidly. Actively network with other professionals in the cloud computing field to exchange insights and opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while you learn. Keep exploring and building.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.